everyone, so I'm going to be doing a short video on how I curl my hair or how I make my hair so wavy. Like, I wanted to know how I do that. This magical thing, my Conair crimper. It's the best thing I've ever bought in my life. It's my favorite ever. That's what it looks like. It's one of my favorite styling tools. So basically I just got out the shower. Yes, my hair is wicked straight. And I'm just gonna put my hair in layers so that I can do it easier. I'm gonna spray my hair with hairspray. Pancakes. So I take about this much hair, and you just put it, you lift the crimper up and put it down. Lift the crimper up. Might as well stand up for this. This thing curls so fast, so you only have to hold it on for a few seconds. And so that's what the curl looks like, where the waves look like. So once you get a lot of them, your hair is like wicked poofy. So I'm just gonna do the first layer and I'll show you each layer after I'm done with them, okay? So this is what it looks like just for the first layer. I mean, the first layer isn't really seen by people, so it doesn't even have to be perfect, but yeah. Then I just spray it with hairspray and then go to the next layer. I'm going to show you actually up close what I'm doing with my hair. Take about this much, press it down all the way at the top, and then what you're going to want to do is when you lift it up, see where the hump is and bring it down so that the second hump is on this. You bring it down just like that. So I'm gonna finish with this layer, and then I'm going to show you. Alright, I'm gonna show you what it looks like after I finish that. So I did this layer. Now I'm just gonna be moving on to my next layer. I don't want to come out. Basically, I'm just going to take out all the rest of my hair because I'm tired of putting in layers. Then I'm just going to keep doing the same thing I've been doing for all the other layers. Start at the very top of my head. Music is listeners. Music is listeners. I've done all the layers. This is what it looks like. You just want to kind of play around with it and loosen them up. That is big. Hot damn. You're gonna look like a wannabe pop star. So yeah, that's how I do my hair. I don't recommend putting mousse in because I feel like it will weigh it down and it'll make it not as curly. But I do use hairspray. I use too much hairspray. So yeah, this is my, let's call it Tori Kelly. Let's call it Haley Noel's gonna be famous someday hairstyle. All from this magical creation called Conair wand. No, it's not called. Okay, I can't talk today. Called Conair Crimper. That's what it's called. I got it off my app that I also bought these glasses off of, which everyone who knows me knows I'm obsessed with this app. It's called Vinted. You should go download it. I'm recommending this app too. And basically people sell their stuff on it. They sell it like discounted. But yeah, so I found that crimper and it has changed my life ever since.